फोटो डिटेल्स मांग लेगा दाखव.
This is Srisalam mountain ranges here. You can see
ये कैसा जाएगा रूम
beautiful valley, lot of hotels and temples around Srisalam in Andhra Pradesh. So in Srisalam there is a beautiful dam also. So all greenery around. So me and Sheikh here. Sheikh is from Kadapa. So we had done a Kerala ride. He had come with me, Mani and Arun and all. So he's come here before. So he told me to come to this place. It's a beautiful place. Now from here we'll go see the dam, and then later on move, check out in the afternoon and go to Kadapa. Here is when there is a Talakona waterfalls. So finish that also, and then mostly by today I will stay in Kadapa. Tomorrow I think I will go to the falls and all, and then hopefully from there Bangalore is only around 250 kilometers. By even if it's night I can do it comfortably. So that way my entire trip for almost a month. 22nd I left. 22nd May. My 22nd April I left. Now it will be 22nd May the time I reach Bangalore. So it's a 1 month long solo ride. A beautiful experience. A lot of learnings from this ride. It's a really good experience. So let's see how it goes. We'll finish it and then see, try to upload as many videos as possible. Lot of editing to be done. Thank you guys. Bye.